has to be your go-to product. I'm sorry, I've been away as usual, but I really love doing videos when I really want to talk about something. And firstly, a warm welcome to each one of you. Thank you so much for sparing some time and watching this video, and I love you guys so much. One more thing, I really hope you're having the best day ever, and if you're not, trust me, it is gonna get better. One thing that you need to know is you always have to be with your own self. Do not be dependent on anyone for your happiness, because you should be enough for you. Like, if you're enough for you, you'll find happiness in every place, in every situation, because I've been doing that past I don't know how many months, and bruh, I'm happy with myself. Solo party every day. Anyway, so you guys already know by the title, this video is about my short little review on one thing that I have been absolutely loving lately. It is about the concealer kit from Bobbi Brown. The reason I brought this product was because I love watching those videos of what's in my bag and what's in my makeup bag and all of those things. And one thing that was common in every single video was every single celeb somehow owned this thing, and everyone seemed to love it. And I was like, you know what, I really need to try that product. You know, if everyone seems to love it, I really need to go and buy it here. So I went to the store and I tried it. The first impression that I had about this product was that it is extremely hydrating. It is that creamy texture, and it's very light. Feel something, you're applying something really heavy on your skin, like I don't know how to explain it. It's just wonderful. I just loved it. And okay, I'm not even showing you the product here, I'm so sorry. This is how it looks like. The color that I am using is this is golden. This is the concealer, the creamy texture concealer that I was talking about, and it also comes with setting powder so that you do not have any creases while you apply, after you apply the concealer. That's fantastic. Also, it comes up with a little mirror, which is amazing, and I love it. It's just so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how it is and how it works on my skin. The first thing that I'm gonna be doing is I'm just gonna take a tad bit of primer. I brought this last week as well, trying it for the first time. I've heard some really awesome things about this product. Wow, this is some good ass product, dude. Oh. And it's oil free. So the second thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using corrector from Makeup Forever. If you've not seen my review, go check it out. It's one really good product. I love it. So I'm just going to dot under my eyes. I'm going to be applying this with, whoa, okay. I'm going to be applying this with my beauty blend. I'm just going to like do this, and I'm just going to buff it under my nose. Yes. Exactly like that. It depends, just take how much ever you want. If you have like really dark circles, you might have to take a little bit more. Please go for the right color. Please visit the store. Don't do tukkabazi. If you are on my skin tone only, then go for the color that I mentioned. Otherwise, please visit the store. And that is why I love it, because you know, this is what you need. Something to cover up your dark circles. Wow, so cool. Okay. So I have just dipped it like 2 to 3 times, and this is what you get. And that's all I need, and that's all I like, to be honest, because it shouldn't look that fake also now. That's right. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna kind of take this side with the I don't know what you call this, but I'm just gonna dip it a little bit and gonna kind of do this. This will help you to not get any creases. And this is how it looks. I don't know if you guys can see it. Can you guys actually figure out if there's a difference? Because I can. It really just covers up very well. It will not give you any kind of crease lines. I mean, I was wearing it for an entire day. I mean, I wore it for like 3 to 4 times and I was like so happy with the results because it did not look weird. I did not have to just powder it all the time. It was just more than enough. I was just happy with whatever I did, and I was just like, finally I have a good concealer, because bro, I'm not going to be applying foundation if I'm going to a party. I'm just going to be like this and done. Then this is my color. I'm going to be inserting the color right out here. I'm going to be inserting the price as well. I think it was around 29 something, around 3,000. I'm not that sure yet, but I will be inserting it right here. I will not blabber a lot. I love this product. If you are looking for a very nice concealer, hydrating, if you have dark circles, I mean, who doesn't have dark circles, right? This has to be a go-to product. I will definitely recommend you to go for it, but do visit the store and check out the right color for you, and I'm sure it will help you. And that is it for today, guys. I hope this video is not too long. Yeah, it's just 12 minutes. Yes. Oh my god, I'm just struggling to get my videos shorter, because like no one watches it, then that's a waste. So yeah, anyway, this is my short little review. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and please do follow me on my Instagram. I mean, if you want to be my friend, if you want to chat with me, you can follow me on my Instagram at Quirky Purvi. That is QUIRKYPURVI. That is my ID. That's Quirky Purvi, and I would love to be your friend. And that is it for today, guys. I hope you're having the best day. Bye.